This period marked a time of intense conflict, lawlessness, and social disintegration in Mogadishu, the Somali capital. Women and girls were among the most vulnerable during this chaos, as widespread violence, displacement, and lack of governance left them exposed to severe hardships. Here's a summary of what happened. Context: collapse of the government. Siad Barre was ousted from power in early 1991, leading to a power vacuum. Clan-based militias competed for control over Mogadishu and other parts of Somalia. Widespread violence. The city descended into anarchy with heavy fighting between rival militias, particularly those of General Mohammed Farah Aidid and Ali Mahdi Mohammed. Civilian casualties were high and infrastructure was destroyed. Impact on women and girls. 1. Sexual violence. Many women and girls in Mogadishu were subjected to sexual violence during this time. Rape was often used as a weapon of war by militias to intimidate communities or assert dominance. 2. Displacement and refugee crisis. Thousands fled Mogadishu due to the violence. Many women and children ended up in overcrowded refugee camps in neighboring countries like Kenya or became internally displaced within Somalia, where conditions were dire. 3. Loss of protection. The breakdown of social structures and institutions meant women and girls lacked any form of legal or social protection. They often had to fend for themselves in environments rife with exploitation. 4. Humanitarian crisis. The war, compounded by famine, created one of the worst humanitarian disasters of the time. Women and girls bore the brunt of food insecurity, malnutrition, and disease. International response. The plight of Somali civilians, including women and girls, began to gain international attention in late 1992. This prompted humanitarian interventions like Operation Restore Hope, led by the United States under the United Nations umbrella, aimed at securing aid delivery. The term Mogadishu Girls specifically may symbolize the struggles faced by women and girls during this chaotic period, highlighting their resilience and the profound impact of the conflict on their lives. If you're referring to a specific narrative or documentation, let me know, and I can help dig deeper.